Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 7 5700X. Today, we'll explore the key differences and similarities between these two powerful processors. Both are part of AMD's 5000 series and are designed for high-performance desktop computing. The Ryzen 5 5600X offers a great balance of performance and price, while the Ryzen 7 5700X provides superior multi-threaded capabilities. Let's dive into the details to see which one is the better choice for your needs. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 5 5600X is a fantastic choice for gaming, offering excellent frame rates and responsiveness. However, the Ryzen 7 5700X shines in multi-threaded applications thanks to its additional cores and threads. This makes it ideal for content creation and heavy multitasking. If your primary focus is gaming, the 5600X will serve you well. But for tasks that require more processing power, the 5700X is the clear winner. Another important factor to consider is the cooling solution. The Ryzen 5 5600X comes bundled with the Wraith Stealth Cooler, which is adequate for most users. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 5700X does not include a cooler, meaning you'll need to purchase one separately. This adds to the overall cost, so it's something to keep in mind when making your decision. Both processors are priced at $299, making them competitive in the market. However, the Ryzen 5 5600X offers better value for gamers who want a capable CPU without additional costs for cooling. The Ryzen 7 5700X, while offering superior performance, requires an additional investment for a cooler, which could make it less appealing for budget-conscious buyers. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and Ryzen 7 5700X are excellent processors, each with its strengths. If you're looking for a great gaming experience at a lower cost, the 5600X is the way to go. However, if you need more power for multi-threaded tasks, the 5700X is worth the investment, despite the additional cost for cooling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.